Look at that moon. My goodness, friends. Beautiful. Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening. Cooking, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. Woo-wee. We are getting in here and cleaning out the high tunnel, getting things planted, as you saw from my previous video. Harvesting okra every day, thank the Lord. Pumpkins are starting to look really good. Greg is pruning up these tomatoes, and our bell peppers, believe it or not, are finally coming in. We are very excited to start to see these come in, guys, and they will continue to produce until our first freeze, which is probably going to be around the first or second week of November, but we'll see. We also harvested, guys, about a 5-gallon bucket of these green chilies. These are the Anaheim Peppers. We're very excited. I've already roasted them just like I do the hatch green chilies, and I've already got some stored up for the winter time, so we're very excited about these. Look at these beautiful serrano peppers. Need to pick some of these today too. I'm happy to say that our winter squash is starting to come in. It's looking beautiful. Got several little buds and several little blooms coming out. And it looks like some of my sweetmeats are coming in too. So what am I planting today? I'm planting more bok choy, but it's a different kind. So let's talk. This looks like it's the Suzhou Baby Bok Choy, but let's talk more about it. This is about a 40 to 50 day from seed to harvest plant, where the milk bok choy that I plant is about a 30 to 35 day. So we're going to give these a shot. These are about a medium-sized, tender, crisp leaf. It is resistant to bolting. It thrives usually in about 60 to 80 degrees, so it is a cool weather plant. Don't know if I said it was rich in vitamin C. Rich in vitamin C. It says that it's a perfect medium-sized bok choy that's popular with the Chinese market gardeners. It is a superior variety in every way, with crisp, tender heads that are lightly packed and remain scrupulous even when the leaves get large. And again, guys, it's bolt resistant. So they say to seed these in place, but again, I'm going to go ahead and start some in my seed pod trays, because I need to see what I'm planting for spacing, because these need to be about 12 inches apart. So I'm going to get started planting my seeds. So we have our seed tray ready, got it really wet down and drenched, and I got my little hose poked in it. These are the size of the seeds. I'm going to drop one seed in each pod again, so I can test the germination. And we're not going to direct sow these, even though you can, because again, I need to see the spacing, and I need these to get a good head start. And this also will buy me a little bit of time right now, because we're still hot here in Texas. And since it does thrive in 60 to 80 degrees, I can keep it shaded until I pop it in the ground, probably in about 2 weeks. This is going to take about 2 weeks to germinate and pop up. Okay, so I've popped one little seed in there. And guys, this also helps you to conserve on your seed. If I was to go out there and plant directly in the ground, you know, something could get it. It could not germinate, and I really wouldn't know what my germination factor was or my ratio. So this is going to help me keep track of my seeds. It's going to help me save money. It's going to help me see what's going on and just how well these do. So I'm going to get about 70 plants out of this. And then I'll transfer these into the big high tunnel when they come up. And I will be doing succession planting, because it does say that they are frost tolerant. So that's good to know. So today is September the 9th. We're looking at around the end of October for these to come to fruition. And you know what, guys? I could get another one in the ground, some more in the ground. I could go ahead and start some more in about 2 weeks and do succession planting and have me a pretty nice crop before we start getting in the cold temps. So yesterday we were forecasted to be around 93 degrees. We didn't make it, guys. We were only 85. Oh, excuse me, and that was so nice. So very nice. And in the mornings, it's in the 60s. So this is when I get a lot of my work done. You see from my opening video that moon in Texas, the moon at night is big and bright. Well, that was probably around 4:30 this morning. But anyway, take care. God bless. We'll be doing some more videos this weekend. Hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Love you all.